Affiliate program information for all beginners in 2021. Ad Marketplace, the auction-based market for buyers and sellers of graphical online advertising, has announced the launch of a new affiliate program for web publishers. There are so many things to be learned about this specific topic of interest, so continue reading throughout this article. You just might be surprised as to just how much helpful information you can gather from this. The affiliate program, which Ad Marketplace notes as the first of its kind that will allow publishers the chance to earn revenue on every site in the Ad Marketplace network. With working with publishers and encouraging them to bring as much content as they can, we have a better chance of using that niche content for our advertisers as well. There are most definitely lots of competitors out there, and this differentiates us from the pack. We want to bring additional value to publishers, and we really wanted to let advertisers expand their ability to target ads. Through the program, publishers add a link on their site that leads prospective advertisers to a co-branded registration page introducing the network. Referring publishers then receive a portion of total revenue across Ad Marketplace's entire network for advertisers that sign up through this program. There is a great deal of money to be made, but you just have to be determined enough to work very hard to achieve just that. The Ad Marketplace affiliate program handles all the back-end work for publishers who aren't able to directly sell their ad space, and allows publishers to leverage the inventory across the network as a whole, stated by many business professionals. The program is neither a one-time bounty nor limited to the publisher's own inventory. It's a chance for publishers to create a long-term annuity with advertisers they introduce to Ad Marketplace. The Ad Marketplace network is fully transparent for advertisers, displaying competitive bids, ads, and linking URLs. The cost per click ads are served on a rotational basis to unique users in sequence, from highest rank to lowest, giving top bidders the first shot at every user in their target audience across the network. The network easily integrates with all ad-serving platforms, with IAB standard ad unit sizes requiring little or no configuration. Learning about all types of affiliate programs can be challenging, but once you get into this sort of thing, you are going to be very pleased at the end of it all, once it is all said and done. You will begin generating an income like you never have before, which is always very thrilling for beginners in the affiliate program business. Check out different affiliate program websites, magazines, books, and other sources. These are where you will find a great deal of information that is crucial for learning about the affiliate program opportunities. Pay close attention during your studies, because at the end you are going to be excited to see just how much you can get accomplished once you have an affiliate-based program that you are working from.